Follow the suggestion in this video to get the best out of my coffees.
Let us brew coffee from Uganda together. This is Francis Kipsang from the Sipi Falls area in Uganda. The variety is SL28 and the fermentation is an experimental Gardelli orange process. This is a very limited edition. For more details on this coffee, please visit our webshop. To release all the flavors of this premium rarity, prepare 250 grams of third wave water at 94 degrees Celsius in the kettle. Prepare 16 grams of beans and grind them on click 22 of your Comandante. This leads to a lovely acidity and a rich body. To avoid any unwanted flavors, rinse the paper with hot brewing water. This also warms your equipment. Now add the ground coffee and shake the filter for an even extraction. Get ready for the 3 pours. Pour 1. 40 grams over 7 seconds. Rather active circular to get water and coffee in contact and to release the trapped CO2 from the roast process, opening all flavors. Pour 2 starting at 20 seconds. Another 80 grams over 15 seconds. A very soft and gentle circular pour. Pour 3 starting at 55 seconds. The last 130 grams over 15 seconds. Soft circular pouring again, resulting in a balanced, multi-layered and clean cup, finishing with the center pour. Swirl the brew at 1 minute and 20 seconds, leading to an even more balanced cup profile with this coffee. After the total brew time of 1 minute and 50 seconds, you can enjoy the intense flavors of elderflower, mango, peach, pear and kiwi in your cup. Thank you for choosing Gardelli coffees.